Hi everyone and welcome to week 2 of the summer session. This week we start our second module, personal narrative writing. Everything we do over the next few weeks will build up to a personal narrative essay that you'll turn in week 5. You can find the assignment here. What we're going to do this week will prepare you for writing that assignment. So you will start here with the media for this week. Here you'll find some videos and some reading that have to do with learning. And the idea is that these are going to help you to think deeply about yourself as a learner. You also have 2 short assignments that you should complete by Wednesday. You'll respond to Maslow's hierarchy of needs and Gardner's multiple intelligence theory. So these are 2 shorter assignments that are due by Wednesday. You'll also complete the large group workshop by Friday, and we will go through a workshopping process for each of the 3 major projects this summer. If you click here on the personal narrative large group workshop, you'll see that there's a set of assignments that talks to you about the kinds of questions that I hope that you'll address in your workshopping of this paper. We all have access to the same document. It's a sample paper written by a former student of mine who asked me to take off their name, but allowed me to use this as a sample to talk to students about narrative writing. And so we're going to workshop this together. And the purpose of workshopping is always to point out what's working for the writer. When we notice what's working, then we can start to use those elements in our own writing. You also should be focused on what the writer might do for revision. And so you'll use the commenting tools here in Google Docs. My screen's not big enough to show you all of the tools, but I could highlight this sentence, for example, and I could make a comment about it by choosing the comment feature on the upper right-hand corner. And I might say something about that it was a particular kind of opening, or I might point out something that I really like or something that's difficult to me as a reader. And you'll use these commenting features to interact with the piece of writing, but also to interact with each other. And that's what you'll do for the large group workshop. If you have any questions about how to use Google Docs or how to interact in the classroom, remember that I have office hours this week, Monday morning from 8 to 10, and Wednesday in the evening from 5 to 7. Those are great times to talk to me, but if they don't work for you, just let me know about a time that does. So if you ever have questions about what's happening from week to week, remember that an important document for this class is up here in the course documents. The syllabus is the most important document. I have it set up so that you can find all the major headings pretty easily. The course calendar and breakdown will show you what's happening from week to week. So you'll see we've already finished week 1, module 1, and we're starting module 2, personal narrative, and we are in week 2. So this is the work that you'll get done for the week. You'll see what's up for week 3, week 4, and then at the very beginning of week 5, just as we're finishing personal narrative and starting rhetorical analysis, you'll submit your final draft of your personal narrative essay along with a reflection. So keep in touch if you run into any problems along the way. I hope you all have a great week. Take care.